Di ko napansin nakangiti pala ako. Um, gusto ko lang i-enjoy yung ano, siyempre, nasa ano tayo, nasa semis tayo. So, yun nga, minsan kasi pag masyado ang seryoso, nagiging tentative tayo sa ano. So, tinatry ko yung best ko na i-enjoy yung game, pero at the same time, kailangan ko ano, ang tawag doon, magseryoso. So, lagi nga ako pinapagalitan ni Coach kasi lagi daw ako nakangiti daw, parang di daw ako nagsiseryoso. So, pero nagsiseryoso naman ako.
Paano ka mag-siseryoso, nakatawa ka?
Yun nga eh. Di ko, gusto na lang siya, ano, umalabas. Pero next time, ano, seryoso.
Coach George, yeah. Coach.
Ayun.
Yeah. Coach, ano masabi niyo dun sa milestone na nakuha ulit ni Marcio kanina? And during practice ba medyo napag-uusapan niyo na kasi yung lapit nung ano eh, nung dami ng 3 points na masushoot niya dun kay para malagpasan si LA?
Well, you know, as a coach and as a player na for Marcio, you know, I'm really happy for him. He achieved this, and he won't naman achieve this without the help of his teammates. So everybody helped him, and we in practice we just don't talk about it. When it comes, it comes, and it came now. So really happy, and I wish him all of the best, and I hope he moves forward pa to the top.
Coach, congratulations. Yung ano lang, nung elims parang sabi ninyo, step by step pa tama, parang ladder. Ngayong playoffs naman, parang 2 wins
Yeah, 2
na
wins
lang finals na. So, paano nyo naman, anong approach?
As of now, 2 wins is nothing. We have to get 4, so there's nothing to celebrate about unless we get the number 4. But this is our third step. First was the elimination. Second one was the quarterfinals, and this is the third. This is the third step, and it's not over yet. We have to have 4 to finish this step.
Thank you, Coach.
Clyde, for Junmar, please.
George, good evening. Congrats, ha?
Thank you.
2 down, 1 to go. Okay?
No, 2 down, 2 to go.
2 down, 1 to go. Okay.
Two
One
to
more
go.
game. One more game. So, can San Miguel finally put on the finishing touches on Wednesday?
Best of 7. Best of 7. It's not a best of 5.
Huh? That's so. No, it's okay. And Junmar Fajardo showed once again his dominating presence in the team. So, can Fajardo again play a major key role in the succeeding games of San Miguel on the way to the finals?
Definitely, you know, he's been playing really well. You know, I'm very happy for him. He's been playing well. He's been sharing the ball well. He's been dominating the boards. He's been dominating the paint. I have nothing else to ask from this big boy here. He's doing everything to help his teammates and to help this San Miguel team.
San Miguel couldn't get away in the first 2 quarters. Only in the third quarter, San Miguel outscored and out-rebounded Renoir Shine. So, and then on the fourth quarter, San Miguel sustained and maintained their excellent performance. Now, what can you say regarding the other players aside from Junmar Fajardo, especially Terence Romeo, Jericho Cruz, and Marcio Lassiter?
Everybody stepped up in the second half because as what I said, yung pinoint out ko kasi sa halftime is we lost by 9 dun sa boards. It was 20 SMB and 29 rain or shine, and I said this should not happen because we are a bigger team. So that's what happened. They just pushed themselves to second half, and the results were good.
Well, after the first half, what did you tell your players, or what reminded your players inside the dugout before the start of the third quarter?
We just have to step up our game and just play as a team and just help one another doon sa boards.
That concludes our post-game press conference.
Shout out, please.
Okay,
Mine
go,
first.
Jumar.
Shout out first to all my
Alright.
Club Scratch friends. Hello, hello.
Shout out, syempre, Mama, Papa, Jay, Cham Cham, Kendra Bans, BBCO, Lulu Berting. Happy Fiesta pala sa Mabini-Tris, Pinamangaan, Cebu. And then, at our Stenso family, sa mga taga Cebu, taga Pinamangahan, shout out sa inyo. And then, ayun,
Ate Julie, baka makalimutan mo.
Dota Boys, shout out sa inyo. The Mami Guys, salamat sa suporta. God bless. It's House of Kraken pala. Shout out House of Kraken, of course.
Buy Kraken shirts. Bye-bye.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Once again, congratulations to SMB.
Thank you, Clyde. Sometimes I